This next one, I'm sure, collaborative siya. He's very creative.
Yes.
So let's call him over. Jeff Moses.
Hello, Jeff.
Hello, partner.
So I just worked with this guy recently.
Hello.
Okay na. We've seen each other.
Long time? Not
we
so
were,
much.
We were together in serye, Binibining Marikit.
Yes.
For quite some time.
Oh, yes.
Worked
okay.
well together.
So Jeff, we want to know, let's get straight to it. What is the inspiration? I love the lapel.
And I have a request,
Thank
by the
you.
way.
Yeah.
Pwede natin pakita yung loob natin ng
Yes.
slide.
Oh,
of course,
yeah.
this is Jeff Moses, okay?
Jeff Moses pa, laging prepared.
Same kami ng hair and makeup eh.
Yes.
And the first time when I saw him kanina, I was like, I need to see the inside. Damn, the insides are good.
Well, it's actually.
Can you show the fabric, the material?
Yes,
Just the
please.
material.
The material.
Look at that. Okay, so what led you to choosing this ensemble for tonight?
Well, actually, to be honest, binigyan ko lang talaga ng freedom si Franco Salvatore. Ayan,
Ooh,
hello.
Freedom.
Oo, kasi nakikita ko rin na ayan, creative siya sobra. And then, sa tingin ko naman, align yung fashion namin. So, ako naman, natuwa rin naman ako sa outcome. And thank you so much for making this possible. Hindi ko nga nasilip kaagad eh. Like, nung
It looks good.
Grabe yung
thank you so
level
much.
of
Really looks
trust mo.
suits you
Oo,
well.
ganun.
And that's very important.
But my
Yes,
question
sir.
to you is, how would you describe your fashion to our viewers out there?
Ako? Siguro, masasabi ko lang, I know, very cliche, but parang kung saan ka lang komportable at confident. Dati kasi naranasan ko rin naman na nahihiya ako ipakita out there kung ano yung susuotin ko. Well, if you embrace lang, kumbaga pag ini-embrace mo lang yung cringe kasi syempre at first kailangan mo lang din naman na parang gawing komportable kung ano yung sinusuot mo at first kasi di ka naman sanay na suotin yan. But siguro over time, ma-overcome mo din and yun, embrace it. Ganun
Thank
lang.
you so much,
so
Jeff.
sentimental.
Really good and encouraging
much.
words too for those na nag-aspire to be here next time. Okay, thank you so much, Jeff.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, partner.
Thank you so much,
Thank you,
dude.
thank
You
you,
have
thank you.
nothing to be shy about, promise.
Yes,
dude.
That's
Totoo.
true.
We'll catch
You look well. You look good.
inside.
See you inside.
Because marami
so
nang
much,
naka-admire ng outfit mo.